Hey, what up boys, this is Tone here, and today I'm going to bring you guys another challenge video. I just uploaded a challenge video the other day, so if you want to go check that out as well after this, that'd be awesome. But this is a 15-minute Fortnite banner challenge, alright? And if you guys stick to the end of the video, I'm going to be putting something special at the end. Wink wink. So make sure to stick to the end of the video. And yeah, thank you guys for watching, thanks for clicking on the video, and enjoy the speed art.
Sink down and emotions feel like I never did before. Live shows and unspoken reels of the movie I ignored. Blue skies on a broken sea and I'm stuck up on the shore. I never thought you could see me, but you did. All I know is we're here, that they took us somewhere. So what they say we're called, falling out of line. They don't know the two of us are colorblind, yeah. Colorblind. I know is we're here, that they took us somewhere. So what they say we're calling, falling out of line. They don't know the two of us are colorblind, yeah. So easy. We could be the enemy and show them how it's done. Yeah, we could brand a new identity and tear apart the songs we can.
Alright, so a little fun fact about the video. Right here, at this point, I realized I had not been timing myself. But don't worry, I didn't cheat. The whole estimated time for the recording, the whole time was like 12 minutes something. So I'd say my full time was like 13 minutes long. So there you go. And I hope you guys are enjoying the video. Let me know if you have any more video recommendations in the comments below. And yeah, right now I'm pretty much just trying to figure this whole thing out because I was very lost. I had no clue what to do. So yeah, let's see what I do.
Your life is scared to even say so. We're colorblind. It's black and white. It seems to well remain so. So what they say we're called is falling out of line. They don't know the two of us are colorblind, yeah. All I know is we're here, that they took us somewhere.
Alright, so a quick little tip for you guys. If you're doing a design, and it's especially like an esports design or a banner design, header design, thumbnail, anything like that, if you don't know what to fill in with the background with, I suggest just start adding shapes. It doesn't really matter what shapes, just like maybe a triangle, maybe a square, a circle. It really helps fill up the area, and it kind of can give you a nice feel to work with, so you're not just staring at this blank canvas with text on it. So yeah, there's a little tip for you guys.
I was angry before, but I circled the drain in my mind. I can't find
Alright, well that is it. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you do, please leave a like and subscribe if you enjoy the video. That's what I meant to say. But yeah, if you guys did watch this long, go into the description and you'll see I have a Mediafire link. Click on that link and then you will be able to download this banner and then just open it in Photoshop and put your own name in. So there you go. That's a little freebie for you guys. So thank you guys for watching. Please do like all the other stuff. Comment. If you do comment below, I read them all, of course. And yeah, comment me videos you want me to do, because I've been doing quite a few, and honestly, it's kind of hard to think of them sometimes. So if you have something you'd like to see, just let me know. Peace out, boys.